Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to code guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to reset and guys how to fix guys mobile network problem on Infinix phone device. Friends, you have guys mobile network problems and how to fix mobile network problem and how to reset guys mobile network setting. Today friends, I am going to show you in this video guys. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to reset guys your mobile network setting. After on phone setting, when scroll it, you can see when this type of setting, when system setting, click here. System setting, click here. When you want to set date and time, so you can set your date and time. Language setting, as you want to change guys your phone language, so friends you can change from here. So friends you can see backup option. Friends you want to backup, so guys you can backup from here. Friends you can see reset option guys, click here. Friends click on reset mobile setting. Mobile data means mobile network setting guys you want to reset, so guys click here. And friends you can see enter your pin device to continue. So guys enter your pin and friends draw your pattern. Friends you have any pattern, so I draw your pattern and enter your pin to reset your mobile network setting. So guys we will wait for a while, and friends you can see after 4 and 5 setting mobile network setting has been reset, and friends you can use your mobile network setting without any problem. After that guys you have any problem, so guys take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. So I hope friends you understood how to reset mobile network. And friends you can reset from here also by search here reset option. Friends you can see reset option, and friends reset all data. Friends you want to erase your old data, so you can erase. So guys click here mobile data guys, enter your enter your device pin and guys pattern. Guys click here reset setting, your setting will reset. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.